Hey everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome back. I am happy that you are here and watching this video. I have another video for the Finding Joy in July. This is going to be 17 through 20, and I am almost done with this project. Well, I'm done with the project, but I just still want to show everyone the process videos and then the walkthrough. But I am moving on to Positivity Passport for August. But right now I'm putting together this page of us out running errands, and I decided to use some pink, and I put this and that and then added in a chipboard that said us and then some big pink stars. And then on the right hand side I decided to do a pretty cloud photo from an evening walk. And then I used a stamp that's actually from a recent April Stories by the Month kit, and it says lovely little things right now, and I thought that that was perfect. So that's what I love about my Stories by the Month stamps, is that I'm always looking for different ways to use them and outside of the month that they were assigned to. So gotta get the versatility out of my stamps, and I certainly try to do that. Okay, so I put down the lovely and I put down July memories. So on the left hand side I have a really big stacked cluster of all kinds of different pieces, and then on the right hand side I went a little bit simpler just to kind of balance everything out. And then I'll add in some journaling lines and journal, and then finish off this spread. So for the left-hand side, I'm just going to talk about how we did some clothing shopping for the kids because they are growing like crazy and we're a month out from school returning. And then the right-hand side, I'm just talking about nothing better than an evening walk as a family. I'd love to do it more, but we certainly don't seem to get a chance to do it that often. Okay, so this spread is going to be so much fun to make. It is our vacation spread when we went down to Los Angeles, and I'm so excited to put this one together. So I have this green star journaling card I'm going to put behind, and then the palm trees as I was looking up. That is so quintessential Los Angeles, Hollywood, isn't it? So I had to include that. And then on the right hand side, I'm going to do this really fun flip out to do some journaling. The main photo I wanted to use was the family selfie, and that was horizontal. So I'm going to do a flip out that goes out to the right. And then the other photo I'm going to use is the Harry Potter castle, and then I'll glue down the pieces of it, and right here you can see how it's coming together. I left a little piece of paper at the end of the family selfie, and then I was able to adhere down the second piece with the castle photo, and then on the back of that castle photo I had put some journaling paper. And then right here I went back and reprinted another one of those star journaling cards, so that way I could cover up the piece of paper right there and just make it look more cohesive and that way you couldn't tell the difference between the matte paper and the journaling paper that I have. So now I've got my fun little flip, and I can add in all these little leaves. I call them palm fronds. They're in a September Stories by the Month kit. To me, they look like palm leaves, kind of, so I'm just going with that. And once again, going with my favorite color, which is green, but a lot of the photos had green in them. Well, most of the photos had green in them. All three of them had a lot of green in them. So I'm just stamping in two different colors of green ink, and I'm also going to stamp out the phrases "Bring on the adventure" and "So darn fun." I used my Cameo to cut out "Happy Hearted" and "Let's Go," which is from the adventure kit, and I'll add that to the left hand side. And fussy cut out the "So darn fun," and I'm going to put that on the inside for the journaling card. Used two puffy stickers from the travel collection, I think from last year or the year before. I finally used those stickers. I decided to pick out a direction sticker. I'll pick that out in a little bit. And then also the sun puffy sticker as well. And then as far as where I stamped for my leaves, I kind of stamped anywhere and everywhere. I stamped around the corner up in the top left for the photo up by the palm trees, and then I also stamped down on the bottom right of the photo right into the corner. And I even stamped my date right on top of some palm leaves. And then on the right hand side, I did a lot more of the palm stamping. Once you open up the page protector or the flap, you'll see there's a lot more stamping right there. And it made for a fun little cluster. And then I'm just gonna add in some journaling lines and journal about how our big trip of the summer was going to Universal Studios, and we got there right at the opening and we wound up staying till it closed. And so we walked so much and we got to do, I think, nearly every single ride. So proud of my kids and proud of us for conquering Universal Studios. All right, so I'm wrapping up that spread, and now I have 4 more spreads done, and I hope you enjoyed the process video for this. Have a great day. Bye.